So today we are doing a hair video, which I never do, but I figured why not, because I do my hair all the time. Nobody does my hair. I do my own hair, and so I decided to do this unboxing and coloring and all this styling stuff with my wig, how I do my wigs when I first get them. For anybody out there who's a beginner who doesn't know what to look for, I'm doing Eunice Hair, which I haven't purchased anything from them in like probably over 2 years now, because I used to get hair from them all the time when I would do like sew-ins and stuff, but then I shaved my head and all that good stuff. So I decided to give them a try, and the reason I stumbled upon them was, do you want to introduce yourself before let me go grab some scissors. Y'all know who Darren is.
Right, this ain't nothing new. Welcome back. If you haven't subscribed, hit that like button.
I had to stop telling people to subscribe because, honey, some of the stuff I've been getting lately. But anyways, I purchased this wig myself, and I'll give you all the details and stuff in a little bit. But this is the official unboxing, and this is how it comes.
I should got kicked down the steps.
So the first thing that okay, so they sent me a wig cap. They sent a black one.
Do-rag.
I don't use black wig caps unless I'm doing like a quick weave. Then they sent this little braided majestic headband, and
Do-rag.
it's not a do-rag.
Whatever.
And then the wig comes in this. Okay.
She might do something.
Maybe some layers.
Get a long wig to cut it up to a short bomb.
That's because they be crunchy. Ooh. That's what they all do at first. Let me see something.
And she be in the car plucking them out like she got fleas.
Oh, God. Smell it. Move your food. What is your reaction to the smell?
It's like fresh cardboard box.
Jerry coral juice?
No, it's like a fresh cardboard box. It don't stink.
It don't stink at all. Like, and it's so soft. Oh my God. Let's hope it stay like this and it don't have a lot of shedding, because girl. Ooh. So far, only a little tiny bit of shedding. It's really pretty, y'all. And this is what the lace is giving. And they have a part in there already, which I usually do the middle part, so that should be fine.
Wigs and caps.
There you go. The luster. Okay, so what we're gonna do today with this wig, I'm sorry, the sun just moved. What we're going to do today with this wig is we're going to do the watercolor method to dye it blue-black. We're going to pluck it if need be. Let me see. Lately, I haven't been plucking my wigs. This one doesn't look like it needs much plucking. It looks like somebody already plucked it for the most part. But there is a lot of finessing that goes into when I put my wigs on, and I'm going to show y'all all that. So I'm going to chop it up for y'all, try to make it kind of short, and let me tell you guys the details. So for some details, this is a 7A virgin hair long body wave human hair lace front wig, pre-plucked, and it is a 13x6 lace. It is 180% density. It is 20 inches. It's medium brown. The lace is medium brown. I believe they gave me a choice to choose between like see-through, like transparent lace. Sorry, I just came from the gym. I know I look a hot mess. And then, yeah, I think they gave me a choice of what color lace I wanted, and I chose medium brown. And the price is $180.90. Which is very cheap. Y'all know that. So, we're going to make it do what it do. I'm going to show you guys everything that I do. Usually, if I wasn't coloring the hair, I would wash it first and do all my plucking and stuff like that. But because I'm going to do the watercolor method and color the hair, that's when I'll be washing it. So I'll show you that process now. So you guys want to use really hot water and fill it up, not all the way. I'm using the Jazzing Blue Black hair color right now. And then I'm just going to pour this in and I'm eyeballing it. So I don't have any measurements for you guys. I'm just doing what works for me.
Oh!
So really what I do is put one bottle first and then I mix it up and see kind of how it looks, if it's dark enough. But I just might be extra, I don't know, I'm kind of scared because one time it said that it wasn't supposed to affect the lace, but it ended up coloring the lace. Bless you. Usually I would have my little whisk. It's like a little hair whisk, but I have no idea where it is right now. So I'm just mixing this up with a color brush. I mean, it is what it is. Sometimes I have too much water. That's why I always go with like 2 bottles depending on the hair length. Like I buy 2 just in case. So let me just add a little bit more because I want my junk to be baddie dark. Okay? That's how we starting off fall with the dark hair. Let me know if you guys are going for red, deep browns, black. Let me know what y'all got going on. This is what I'm doing though. Okay, so it's mixed up. Let me hurry up before it get cool. And you can wear gloves if you like, if you know. But what you want to do is just, God, I hope it don't mess up my lace this time. All right, if you want to press it in like so, only takes a little bit. I'm trying to avoid the lace if possible, but see, it got on the freaking lace. And I feel like it's not supposed to go down like that. But anyways, we're going to try to cut most of the lace off, so it is what it is. Okay? More than anything, we need this hair dyed. Oh my gosh, y'all. It got on my lace again. But like I said, we're going to really try to cut a lot of this lace off, so it really shouldn't be a problem. Because we're going to try to get close. Like close. I'll make sure my nail don't get stained. Because my nail lady is out of commission right now. I got somewhere to go. It looks pretty dark, y'all. I'm just trying to see, is this lace really tinted or not? Or is it just my imagination station? Yep, and pretty much that's it. So just wash and whatever like regular. Ooh, girl, I almost lost the wig. Okay, so what I normally do is just bring it outside and I sit it out to air dry while I do everything else. But to be honest with y'all, I don't know. I still see brown in it. I don't feel like it's as dark as, I don't know. So maybe the watercolor method doesn't really work for me. It works when I have like blonde hair and I'm trying to turn it a different color. It definitely works then because it's super simple and you can see it. But with the black hair, this is like the second time. It's not really as dark as I would like it to be. So anyways, what I'm gonna do is just leave it out here to air dry. The most important part to me is that the lace gets dry. The tresses I can just dry myself, but I just like to save a little bit of time and leave it outside. So far I've not had to comb it or brush it. The hair feels really good. So, and it does appear that the lace is not black like I thought it was, so maybe that's, you know, a good thing. What's up, y'all? So I had to take my wig off because I realized that I never plucked or bleached the knots. I thought I didn't have to pluck the wig, but after I wore the wig without bleaching the knots and not plucking it, I realized that I do need to pluck it a little bit, which I'm kind of apprehensive about because the quality of the hair is so beautiful and the wig itself is so beautiful that I don't want it to start shedding like crazy. So I'm gonna do minimal plucking, and I'm gonna bleach the knots today, and I'm gonna reapply the wig and all that good stuff because I do have an event to go to later. So I want to look real good. And I bought some Ghost Bond instead of that Got To Be, because that Got To Be, every 2 days you're gonna be doing your hair, and it's so annoying. I just want to be able to go to bed and get up without having to do my hair. So what we're gonna be doing is bleaching the knots. So as you can see, like, all of that is black, look like a screen door, right? And I'm gonna do a better job on cutting the lace and everything. But everything, honestly, it wasn't that bad. Like, the hair is so pretty, and I'm just so, like, mad I've been buying all these different wigs when the whole time, Eunice, baby, Eunice. So, and the parting space is really long too. Love that. Yeah, so that's what I'm about to do right now, is bleach the knots, which is always kind of difficult for me because for some reason, even when I make it thick, it still, I don't know, like, goes through onto the hair. So I do have some hair color left, so if that happens, then I'm just slapping on there. Look, okay? So I know I look like a crackhead right now, but I will be looking good in a minute. Alright? Okay, y'all, this is the bleach I'm using by L'Oreal. I get this from the Salon Centric, which is a professional store. And I have my color bowl, my brush, and my developer, which is by Wella, which I got from Sally's. Okay, y'all, so when it comes to using my bleach and my developer, I don't use measuring cups and all that stuff. That's for hair school. What I do is I eyeball it, so I know a general ballpark of, you know, the ratio. So you definitely want to have more bleach to developer. So what that means is you want to have your consistency not runny. You want it to be thick. That way it's not running all over the cap, bleeding into the hair, so on and so forth. You want a nice thick consistency that you can easily control, and that's what I have achieved here. And I could have used a little more developer, but I really was afraid of it going through the cap. Okay, y'all, so right now I have the wig sitting here with shampoo sitting on it, and the reason for that is I use the purple shampoo, well, the brightening purple toning shampoo. So this is a shampoo that I typically would use if I was dyeing my hair blonde, but because you know, when you lighten, it can get very brassy, so this is just gonna maintain like a neutral color on the roots. I don't even feel like I did that great of a job, but it's better than it was, so that's what we gonna roll with, because it's literally, I don't have that much time, and the process that it takes for me to get ready is pretty extensive. One more thing that I want to mention to y'all, I hope y'all can hear me, is that when you are washing your hair or your wig or whatever have you, make sure that you are rinsing from roots all the way to ends. So all the way down, because what happens is product will sit right here on the ends, and you can feel it. It's still slippery, so I know I still have product in there, and you'll get product buildup on your ends and all that stuff. So when you go to flatten your hair or do any kind of styling, you may find that you have a different kind of texture or outcome going on. That's probably because we oftentimes don't rinse thoroughly all the way through the ends, and I mean all the way through the ends. So yeah, it takes a little bit longer, y'all, but I'm telling you, when you notice a difference when it comes down to flat ironing your hair, styling, and all that good stuff, and the integrity of your hair too, because some of those products are not intended to be left on your hair but so long. You understand what I'm saying? So you really want to make sure that you're being thorough, because you're not going to waste all this time and then have product buildup, you know? So that's why you only need a certain amount of product and all those types of things. And I didn't really discover that until I went to hair school, until I started really playing with a lot more things having to do with hair. And I wanted to share that with y'all because I know a lot of times, like I said, people don't focus on the ends that much. So we're outside, and so can you see how the roots are a little bit lighter? Like I said, I didn't get all of them exactly where I wanted them, just because I didn't want to put so much bleach to where it got on the hair, because that is so annoying to me. But I can camouflage a lot of this the way I do it. I don't know if y'all can see. As far as the hair being jet black, I'm gonna throw some more color just on the top a little bit. So this is not a sponsored video whatsoever. This hair has been a dream. I really love it, and I will be ordering from Eunice from here on out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe. Talk to you guys in my next video.